Hi, this is Real Deal 96565 again, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a zippo. So, what you need is an empty Tic Tac box. I kind of colored all over it and put green tape around it. So, what you want to do is get a Tic Tac box, empty it without all the Tic Tacs. Then you're going to cut the side right where there's right where the cap meets the box. You want to take your scissors or a knife and cut right around it. Okay, and then you're gonna go like this, pull that and pop it out. Then you're gonna need cotton balls and some, or you can use cotton balls or you can use tissues. And with the cotton ball, you might want to, like, if you get the big ones, you might want to take them apart, put them in two. With a tissue, you want to do the same thing. Cut it up in four little pieces. Then stick it inside. You can see that there's tissues right there. Right there, that's a burn mark, that brown thing. And that's it. The tissues will not catch on fire when you light this. Mine is not, you can do it two ways. You can take a match, you get a match box and cut a little piece of that match and put it right on there, like the striker, put it right there. And then right in there would be, like, all the way back here in the back would be the matches. I know this is kind of confusing, but alright. So I didn't do it that way. I did it with a lighter. So I take a lighter and light it. Alright, so you're gonna stuff all those cotton balls or tissues, and then you're gonna take lighter fluid and you're gonna squeeze it down in there. Or you can use deodorant, Axe deodorant. Never use Old Spice. It's explosive and it will catch this whole thing on fire. It's more flammable than Axe. As you can see, I really colored it a lot. Axe, 8-ball, stars, zippo. Alright, so the final part is you go like this. So open it up, get the lighter, go like that. Is it in? No, nothing. Yeah. Alright. Let me go get some lighter. Or, no, I'll use that. Alright. Take some Axe and spray it in there. Then take the lighter or your match and strike it or light it. And blammo. Man, I don't know if you can see that too well. You can't see it very well, but it is burning actually. It will burn the plastic actually. Which, I mean, it doesn't burn it that bad, but it will damage it after a while. You kind of see some burn marks on there, on the side right there. Right there. Yeah, and if you want it to last longer, then I recommend taping it. You don't have to tape it, but it looks cooler, you can write on it, and it's more efficient. So it's kind of like a Zippo. Like, you can't do any tricks though, there's no striker. But yeah, get the drift. So, but I don't have any matches, but I'm gonna go over the match thing again. If you have matches, you tape, you cut out a little piece of the striker and put the match striker right there and tape it right there as small as you can. Then you take matches, take like a whole pack of matches, and stick them all the way in the back there, like right there. You can't really see that, but yeah. So you'd be like, take a match out, strike it, and then light it. Um, and then go up in flames. Me personally, I don't like matches. I've had a bad experience with them, so I play with zippos. Can't see it. Alright, so that concludes the episode. Alright, bye.